Want to turn boring comparison into stunning cinematic effect all in PowerPoint? In this tutorial, we will create a professional animated solar system comparison that looks like it's a sci-fi movie case. Let's get started. First, add a high-resolution universe image as the background. Now, duplicate the image and use the Align tool to center both images perfectly. Go to Artistic Effect and apply blur. Then increase the blur radius to create depth. Now, reduce the brightness and contrast and slightly decrease the saturation using picture color. This gives a subtle cinematic tone. Next, crop this image with crop to shape. Pick a rectangle with soft edges. Hold Ctrl Shift and shrink it. And boom, a frosted glass effect for readable titles. Now, let's spice it up with glow effect. Insert a horizontal glow PNG. Hold Ctrl Shift to duplicate and drag it down. This glow adds that sleek cinematic motion between slides. Time to add the planet information. Insert a text box for the name and facts, and a line for separation. Create a circle shape. Remove its outline. Go to Insert. Click on 3D models and choose Earth, or use a PNG if you prefer. Cut the model, click the circle, click on Picture or Texture Fill and paste from clipboard. At the bottom of the slide, insert a rectangle. Remove its outline. Choose Gradient Fill. Set both ends to black, but raise the transparency of the 1 to 100%. This creates a smooth shade-like space dissolving into darkness. Now, right-click and duplicate the entire slide. Replace Earth with Mercury using the same method. Add some motion. Rotate the planet 90° right and move the glow layer slightly in opposite direction for dynamic flare. Update the title and facts for Mercury. Go to Transition, select Morph and watch the magic from Earth to Mercury with that buttery smooth cinematic shift. But hey, if your glow effect flip weirdly, here's a pro trick. Open the selection pane, rename your top glow to T-Glow. Copy that name. Now, paste the same name on the second slide glow. Do the same for the bottom one. This tells PowerPoint, hey, these are the same object, match them during the morph. Duplicate again for Venus, Mars, and so on. Just follow the same system. But let's add one final cinematic touch. Go to slide 2, select the background, select crop option, and zoom in a little. Copy that image, paste it into the next slide, and zoom in again. Now, hit slideshow and experience your very own animated solar system right inside PowerPoint. And just like that, you have built a stunning comparison effect using only PowerPoint, more transition and a little creativity. If you love this effect, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more PowerPoint magic. See you in the next video.